Hello, hi guys. We are at Intercontinental Hotel and we came here to celebrate Diwali on behalf of. We are basically the RBPG members. So thank you ZTV to give this chance.
Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali, guys.
Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
Hello, I'm Bhagya. This is Adya, Sneha, and Surya with me from Adi Shakti Dance and Music Center. We came here and we did 3 performances that we thoroughly enjoyed. Thank you for having us here. This was a wonderful opportunity. It was a joy to dance in front of such an amazing audience. So happy, so grateful.
Indeed, it was a great exposure as well. Really enjoyed and hope to see you all in more events. Thank you so much.
Happy Diwali!
Happy Diwali to all the viewers. This is Harikishan Rankawat and I am the President of Rajasthan Business and Professional Group. This Diwali Utsav 2025 we are celebrating today on 12th of October at Intercontinental Hotel in Dubai Festival City. And this event is attended by more than 1,000 people from RBBG community. And we are doing a lot of culture. I mean, this event was started with Ganesh Vandana. Thereafter, there were few cultural performances, and apart from the cultural performances, then we have facilitated our sponsors, annual sponsors and Diwali event sponsors. And there are like multiple dance performances apart from Ganesh Vandana. And now Shariben Toshi concert is going on, and I think everybody is enjoying. And in this event, actually, we have donated around 1 crore rupees for Kisan Drone Yojana in order to give the benefit to farmers, because they are doing the spreading the pesticides in the in the farms manually, and they are getting there are a lot of farmers are dying because of that. So RBBG, in close coordination with Rajasthan Foundation, have taken this initiative of Kisan Drone Yojana, and our 14 trustees have donated 14 drones to farmers in Rajasthan. So this is a noble initiative, and this initiative was taken over, actually initiated by our President of Rajasthan Foundation, Amra Ramji Jangid, and supported by our Vice President, Dr. Amit Purohit. And we have taken it up, and it was successfully accepted by all the 14 trustees of Rajasthan Business and Professional Group. So I think now there is another event which is coming up in Zabil Park. It's a happening event and supported by Dubai government. So that event will be attended by more than 10,000 people in Zabil Garden. And look forward. Thank you very much.
खमागणी आप सभी को, मेरा नाम डॉक्टर रोमित पुरोहित। आई एम करेंटली द ट्रस्टी एंड द वाइस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ राजस्थान बिजनेस एंड प्रोफेशनल ग्रुप। आज का दिन बहुत ही इमोशनल है, क्योंकि हम लोगों ने एक इनिशिएटिव शुरू किया है, उड़ान किसान। उड़ान किसान क्या है, क्या किसी को पता है? 850 किसान हर साल राजस्थान में मरते हैं पेस्टिसाइड से। पेस्टिसाइड हैज़ बीन यूज्ड एज एन इंस्ट्रूमेंट टू कमिट सुसाइड बाय द फार्मर्स। और ये वो आज दिन है ऐतिहासिक, जहाँ पे हम लोग किसानों को कम से कम 1 करोड़ के जितने ड्रोन्स, लागत से लगे ड्रोन्स, उनको भेंट करेंगे 9, 10, 11 और 12 जनवरी को ग्राम टैग अंडर द ऑस्पिशियस हैंड्स ऑफ श्री भजन लाल शर्मा, द चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ राजस्थान। आज इस जमावड़े में कम से कम 1200 लोग थे राजस्थान से। एंड ये उत्सव हर साल होता है जहाँ पे इतने ही लोग आते हैं, लेकिन आज थोड़ा सा इमोशनल है, क्योंकि हम चाहते थे कुछ करना वापस, एक ऐसी CSR एक्टिविटी जो टेक्नोलॉजी को हमारे किसान के पास लेके जाए। जैसा मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ, we are going to make the Kisan of Rajasthan fly, and today is the day of Udan Kisan at the Rajasthan Business Professional Group. दिवाली के उत्सव हर साल हम करते हैं, अगले साल फिर कुछ नया लेके आएंगे। एंड आई वांट टू थैंक आवर लीडरशिप श्री अशोक ओदरानी, आई वांट टू थैंक आवर लीडरशिप श्री हरिकृष्ण रंकावत एंड द बोर्ड एंड द ट्रस्टीज फॉर टेकिंग दिस फॉरवर्ड्स। थैंक यू सो मच once again. See you next year at the Diwali Utsav 2026.